Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another unboxing. This time I got for you guys a laptop cooling pad. This cooling pad here is from Havit. It works with laptops up to 17 inches, includes 5 fans on there. It also has a scroll wheel to go ahead and increase or decrease the fan levels. Let's go ahead, open it up, see what it comes with, and install it. Okay, so you got your guides right here, starting guide, how to connect it. Alright, it tells you you have an 18-month warranty. And a USB cable. So it's USB A to USB A. Got your laptop cooling pad here. It's very light. Doesn't feel very durable. As you can see, got 5 fans. You got this flip out tray here, so when you have your laptop set, it won't slide off the pad. Feels extremely cheap, very hollow. And the brand here is Havit. They make many PC peripherals, from mouses to everything else basically. Alright, you got your scroll wheel, increase or decrease the fan speed, and you got 2 USB-A ports right here. See on the back here, you see the fans. You also got flip out kickstands here. I'll go ahead and plug it in right now. So the faster the fan speeds are, the brighter the lights get, as you can see. So right now it's on low settings, and then when I put it up all the way, the light gets brighter. Also, the fan starts to speed up. It's really quiet too. It's not bad. Doesn't really blow air that much. I mean, I'm not sure how it's gonna cool a laptop, but it might keep the degrees down a bit. Hopefully within the next few days I'll upload a video of my new laptop unboxing, which features the new RTX 3070. Go ahead and stay tuned for that video. I'm not sure how it's going to cool a laptop. Fans don't really blow that hard. Alright, so there you have it for this unboxing of this Havit cooling pad with 5 fans. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more future unboxing videos. Thanks for watching.